Hi everyone again. Today I wanna share with you a bit my preparation for my project, how it's going. It's not gonna be a long video, just short, because I haven't done a lot of things. Most of them it's just hardware. Like I connected, I made all of these cables for this lab, for this project, and now I want to explain you a bit what's going on here. Okay, do this like this. Nice. Now you can see all of this stuff, and I'm gonna show you what's going on here. Okay, a bit like this. Nice. Or should I maybe first show you back of all of this stuff? Oh, okay. What I have from this side. Look at this. As you know from previous my video, this one, it's server 2019 with hypervisor virtualization. It has 2 additional NIC cards here right now, and also I use this USB connector also for third virtual machine. I don't know what is this, but TP-Link, I suppose. And this patching panel which goes to another side. This is just connections. This one, it's Windows 10 right here, which has 1, 2, 3, 4 additional NIC cards for 4 virtual machine, and here I am running VMware Workstation Pro. All of these have connection to this patching panel. Here you can see my power supply for switches and routers. I can turn on and off all of them from one side, but my PC connects to that white. Then from another side I have, it looks like this. We have this patching panel. These 3 just connect to this one. Why I decided to use patching panel? I don't need it. Really, I could connect this directly from, for example, from this PC, from these NIC cards, directly to these switches. I have all of these cables. I could make them longer without any problem. But now it's, I think it was practice for me. Also, I recorded video and looks a bit better, I think. Then from these 3 NIC cards have connection to this switch, the lowest one. So this port and this switches also, these 2 switches, it's from one side. Then between these 2 switches also we have a third channel, 8 cables from one to another. It's also, I'm gonna do all of this stuff. Then from this switch just we have only one connection, this one, to this router. From this router I have connection to this router, and from this router, of course, that router. Yes, and last one has connection to this switch. Also, I have this connection, this layer 3 switch, and I have these additional modules for 1000 base T qubit. I could connect just which I'd like from this port, but I have this one, why not? Also, I have for fiber optic cable connector, but I don't have this type of cable. And to another side as well. Like this, and okay. You see, this layer 3 switch. This layer 3 switch has a connection to this patching panel to this side, which connects to this PC, Dell OptiPlex with VMware. It's like this. And next step, I am gonna connect them via console cable and like do basic configuration on all of these switches and routers, and then I'm gonna use just telnet for first steps to configure all of this equipment, then also improve to SSH and all of different exercises just to refresh my knowledge Cisco or from CCNA. That's almost all. Maybe also I will show you the diagram, which I'm gonna improve also a bit with some IP addresses. We will see. Thank you very much for your attention and see you next time.
Hi everyone again. Now I wanna quickly show you the diagram of my project. Here, for example, you can see this diagram which I made in Cisco Packet Tracer without any configuration, of course, but I'm gonna do this on my equipment hardware. Here you can see my work PC, which connects to the internet internal network, and then from this PC I have connection to my Dell and to my HP, and both of them has enabled virtualization, hypervisor, and VMware. Then on this PC I have these 3 virtual machines, and from another side I have also 3 virtual machines, and one of these virtual machines is a DHCP server. Then this side on this direction and also on this direction, it's everything hardware. Multilayer switch, layer 3 switch, router 1, 2, 3. I wrote a bit this configuration, but I haven't done anything. I am gonna do this next week, or this week, I mean. And I'm gonna also record this video to show you. That's it for now.
Just wanna check, does it work or not, all of these PCs. This one works, but from another side, here this power button. All of them should start. We will see. This one works, this one as well, and this one. Okay, but I don't see. Maybe from another side I can see something what can show me that this this guy, here you are. Yep, started to work. Wow, it's nice. Why this one also? Maybe it checks all the ports. It's light, and here you are. There you have these connections. Spanning tree, I think, works for this. Okay, you don't see this light on these ports because they shut down. Okay, we are gonna check from another side. Yep, these 2 routers and this one as well, which is the bottom. Have a nice day. See you next time.